Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, I have used the cleaner and got through and taken off all the dried gasket silicone that was on there. I have then gone through with brake cleaner to degrease, and then I have done a test fit to make sure it will go back before I put the silicone. And that's when I realised that 2 of the bolts on the back of this one two at the bottom are studs that stay in there. They were loose, so I've used Loctite to put them back in and let them set. And then reading the manual, it also said that there were 2 other positions that were also studs. So I thought they just had nuts both end, but they're not. So I'm about to lock these in with Loctite, and it was position number 13 and position number 2, which is at the back. It shows you how to put 2 nuts together opposite each other so you can put a socket on there and screw that in once you put Loctite on. So I'm just going to do one now. This is Loctite 243. And these are at 10 Newton meters. Except they're moving, so I'll just try and lock them down a bit more. The idea is to lock the 2 nuts together. They grip the shaft and enable you to screw the shaft in. It is winding the whole thing down, but it will stop when it gets to the end. So, okay, that's in at 10. I'm just feeling to make sure the shaft doesn't move at all. It's might be easier if I use two nuts that were nylock nuts, maybe, but
Frost on the tank and the sun's barely through.
I'm conscious maybe this is blocking your view.
I find the compression waiting for the sign. Needle on the speedo is right in line. One heavy kick and the silence is gone.
No one's a bit packed inside now, so they can go in the old bucket. And I'll just wipe off the excess. And the second one. Now this is stuck, so I've got some soft jaws in the vise made of aluminium and I can use to grip this to take that off.
Second gear winding through the corkscrew bends, where the gray bitumen twist and ascends. Gum trees blurring like a ghost on the right. Lean into the corner, hold the line tight. There's a vibration rising up through the steel.
I'm going to wind this one all the way down to the bottom. And then lock the other one to it.
No fear of the gray, just the smell of the damp earth and the warmth of the day. They say peace is a quiet place.
Same thing, nailed end to nailed end.
But mine's in the torque, pulling steady and deep. Every pop of the exhaust is a breath I exhale. Chasing the white line, riding the rail. It's a moving meditation, a mechanical prayer, stripping the soul all the way down the bay.
Okay, double check. Okay, the top one is position 11. Bottom one is position 13. And 13 is the one with the stud. And what I've done today is I've been keeping the stuff in my pocket with a bit of warp, so it flows a lot easier. Probably using too much, but I'd rather have too much than not enough. Okay, outer, inner, double check. Number 13, and 13 is the lower one. Double check. 10 Newton meters.
Pulling into lobby, they'll kill switch down. The silence is louder than the noise of the town. The ticking of the metal as it starts to cool. Man, there's nothing like the ride on an old school mule.
Take away the excess. Now I've been doing some research and I found all these studs are stainless and the nuts are grade 8.8 zinc plated nylock nuts with a flange. So they have a flange on the back of all the nuts, and I've gone through and I've gone to our local specialist fastener store and replaced them all with brand new. You can, but you're not meant to really use nylock nuts twice because the thread has already been used. So rather than risk them coming apart, I've chosen to buy all new nuts on the ones that have been disturbed.